Setting up your email with Scala Hosting is simple and lets you manage professional email accounts using your own domain. First, log into your Scala Hosting cPanel or S control panel. Once inside, look for the email account section and click on it. Next, click Create or Set up a new email address. Enter your desired email name, like info@yourdomain.com. Then choose a strong password or use a password generator to keep your account secure. After creating your email account, you can access it through webmail directly from your control panel or set it up in your favorite email client like Outlook or Gmail using the provider IMAP or POP3 settings. Scale hosting also includes Spam Assassin to keep unwanted emails out of your inbox, and you can set up email forwarding or autoresponders easily from the same section. For added security, enable SSL/TLS encryption on your email accounts to protect your messages. That's it. With just a few clicks, you have a professional email account up and running to communicate confidently with clients and contacts. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials and ask any questions in the comments below.